Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here to give you my honest opinion about some pins I picked up today at the Dollar Tree. This is at my expense. I have an addiction to pens and stickers. I think we all have addictions to crafting goodness or pens. I do a lot of coloring and a lot of mixed media, so I'm always looking for cool pens. I did markers last week, and you'll probably see a review if there's something new comes in that I haven't seen before, and marker wise or pen wise or who knows, I will do a review on them, and it'll probably be just from Dollar Tree. I do a lot of shopping at my Dollar Tree. I am gonna go check out my General Dollar or Dollar General. I always get those mixed up. Because Jersey showed me some markers the other night that she found at her local General Dollar or Dollar General. I know it's one or the other ways. Told me I should go check it out. So I haven't made it there yet. And I'll probably do a review of them just to tell you what I think about them as well. But today, as I was at the Dollar Tree, I saw these smoothies. I've never seen these. These are not, I don't think, made by Dollar Tree, because usually they're a Jolt, J-O-T product. And you got 10 assorted colors in each one. 1.0 millimeters. I think that's the tip. And then I've seen these at my Dollar Tree a while. I used to have some a long time ago. And it clicks. And I thought, I'll buy another pack. There's 8 in this one. And I thought we'll do a comparison. To the fact, what the heck, Okay, so let's just open. So, there are 2 greens in here, so I hope they're different. Like 2 teals in here. There's like 2 of every color. That's just weird. So I don't. So that's a downfall for me, because it's 10 styles assorted colors. I didn't expect to get 2 colors of each pen. I expected 10 different assorted colors. So right there, not pleased there. Okay, so let's check out the green. So the nice, smooth cap. They got the little red thing that you have to take off. See, you just take that off, and there we go. Nice clear cap. So nice and smooth. So let's see if they're the same color. Yeah. So you get 2 of each color, which don't make sense to me. When I saw 10 assorted fashion inks, I assumed it was 10 different colors. So pay attention to your packaging better. But then if you look at the square, it does have them up there. So you get 2 of each color. I'm not going to test each color twice, but let's at least check one out. That's the purple. Nice. They're kind of feels good in the hand. So I'm liking that. So here's the teal. Ooh, I like the teal. I'm okay with that. Got the pink. Nice, I like the pink. I should have a stamped image out. Oh, I could have colored to see how well it colors. And I don't have one handy. Maybe next time I do a review, I'll make sure I have a couple stamped images out and all of to be able to see how it fills in. I don't even have one handy. Here's an orange. It'll take long for them to get working. So I'll just do a square and color the square in. Oops, I got the little red things floating on my desk now. The color good. I'm happy with it. Like I said, I didn't pay enough attention to the packaging, but it is kind of misleading. It says 10 ballpoint pens, assorted colors. So you're seeming out maybe it was my thought process. I was going to get 10 different colors. And I didn't pay any attention how they looked in the package. I just grabbed it because I thought, oh, cool pen. New ones. So I got them. I'm okay. I'm satisfied with them. It's my mistake on the packaging. So, and this one is, and these are the smoothies, or Fashion Inks by Smooth. Cello Smooth Fashion Inks. I like how they feel. So I'm okay with them. I just wish it was 10 different colors. Alright, now the next one is the Clip Clicks. They are made by Ink, INC. Comfort grip, easy clip to retract. Same millimeter, 1.0 millimeters, 8. And it looks like 8 different colors. See, it says assorted inks. So, let's check these out. So, in this one, you got it looks like a black, a blue, a purple, a green, a turquoise, a yellow, a red, and a pink. So, let's check out the black. You just click it to open. There's the tip. Ooh, I like these. Color's nice. Awesome. I'm very happy with that. And then you just hit the little handle in and it closes it. So that's cool. The blue. Just doing real fast. The color is good. So if you're going to use them to color, they work perfect. Here's the purple. Color's nice. I like the purple. I like them all so far. Here's the green. Ooh, it's a lime green. I like my lime green. So it's not a very dark green. It's like a lime green. Very nice. Here's a turquoise. Turquoise is one of my favorite colors to have. So, yeah. Works nice. The yellow. Ooh, the yellow is nice too. It's not a like bright yellow. It's like to me, a sunflower yellow, I guess, inside of a sunflower. And I'll hold this up closer so you can see. A red. Ooh, red. And pink. Ooh, I like the pink. It's not a pink pastel pink. It is a bright pink. Love this. Good advertisement on these. These are Click Bricks. Yeah, love the colors. So here's the colors of them. Love the color combos. I love them all. There's nothing wrong with it. I like them. Number 10. These I like. Don't get me wrong, I like them. I just wish it was 10 different colors. I didn't realize you would get 2 of each. So, at least you have a spare. But value-wise, I would love 10 different colors. Because when I read the packaging, it said assorted colors. I expected 10 assorted colors, not 2 of each color. But coloring-wise, they'll work. There they are. So overall, I give these all a 10. I'm very satisfied with them. And for $1, they're good. Just read your read your packaging closer. And I have a tendency to see something and go, ooh, cool, $1. But, you know, so I got a duplicate. I'll put one in my art bag when I go away. You know, and I'll have that. And one set in my art bag and one set at home. So it worked out good. I just, like I said, wish there was 10 different colors of this type. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you like these videos. And I figure if something new comes in, pen-wise, marker-wise, glue, you know, whatever it shall be, I'll kind of do a review on it and give you my point of view. And you can look for it at your local Dollar Tree. Oh, do I got exciting news, guys. Woohoo! So stoked. I have a new Dollar Tree opening on June 17th. And my gal from the first Dollar Tree I shop at is going to be the manager at the new Dollar Tree. And she told me that the craft aisle will be bigger than the one that I usually go to. And you know what? And they're not that far from each other, so I can hit both. So I'm pretty stoked about that. So, but I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped you out. If you have any questions and comments, please leave them in, or any questions or comment, please leave them down below, and I'll answer as best as possible. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.